Hey folks, Aaron here from Beansprout. Happy 2023. I made a cigar box style ukulele. I don't know why I did it. I just felt like doing it, and I did it. So there's a long tradition in American folk art of musical instruments made from boxes, and even Sam Kamaka in the 40s or 50s made several cigar box instruments. This one looks like a cigar box, but it's not an actual cigar box. It's just a cedar box made by me. It's just nailed and rabbited or nailed and glued together, and it's just some salvaged cedar from here in Oregon. Some cedar and cherry neck, and then cherry all up in here, a little rope rosette, and a maple bridge. It's concert scale length. It's got a low G, which I think sounds really nice on here. Geared tuners, bone nut and saddle. And it was just because I felt like it. So I guess this is going to be available on our website to somebody. I don't know if I'd do another one or not. It's nice and I like it. It's got a big voice, which I was kind of surprised by. But it's got like a kind of a dusty, raspy voice, which I kind of like. And I especially think with the low G, it's got that vibe. So yeah, this is number 758, first instrument of the year, and it's going to be on our website in a few minutes. So check it out if you want it to be yours. Cheers.